Can I use different types of detergent in a top-load washer?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will be discussing whether it is possible to use different types of detergent in a top-load washer. If you've ever wondered whether you can mix and match detergents or switch between different types, this video is for you. Let's dive in and find out.
Understanding different types of detergent.
Before we address whether you can use different types of detergent in a top-load washer, let's take a moment to understand the different types of detergent available in the market. There are generally three main categories of laundry detergents. 1. Powder detergent. Powder detergent is a granular form of detergent that is typically used in older washing machines. It contains a mixture of cleaning agents, enzymes, and other ingredients to help remove dirt and stains from your clothes. 2. Liquid detergent. Liquid detergent, as the name suggests, is a liquid form of detergent that has gained popularity in recent years. It is often used in both top-load and front-load washers and is known for its convenience and ease of use. Liquid detergents come in various formulas, including standard, high-efficiency, heat, and concentrated options. 3. Pods, capsules. Pods or capsules are pre-measured single-use detergent packets that contain a concentrated form of liquid detergent. They are designed to dissolve in water during the wash cycle and provide a convenient and mess-free option for laundry detergent.
Compatibility with top-load washers.
Now that we understand the different types of detergent, let's address the main question. Can you use different types of detergent in a top-load washer? The answer is yes. You can typically use different types of detergent in a top-load washer. Top-load washers are generally versatile and can accommodate different detergent forms. Whether you choose to use powder detergent, liquid detergent, or pods, capsules, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific washer model. The instructions will provide guidelines on the recommended detergent types and amounts for optimal performance and to avoid any potential issues.
Considerations and recommendations.
While you have the flexibility to use different types of detergent in a top-load washer, there are a few considerations and recommendations to keep in mind. 1. Read the washer manual. Always refer to your washer's manual for specific recommendations and guidelines. The manufacturer's instructions will provide valuable information on the suitable detergent types, recommended usage amounts, and any specific instructions for your machine. 2. Measure the detergent. Properly measure the detergent according to the manufacturer's instructions. Using too little detergent may result in ineffective cleaning, while using too much can lead to excessive suds or residue buildup. 3. Pre-treat stains. For heavily soiled or stained items, consider pre-treating them with a stain remover before placing them in the washer. This can help enhance the detergent's effectiveness and improve stain removal. 4. Choose high-efficiency, heat, detergents. If you have a high-efficiency, heat, top-load washer, it is recommended to use heat detergents. These detergents are specifically formulated for heat machines and are designed to work efficiently with their lower water usage and different wash action. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope that we have answered your question about using different types of detergent in a top-load washer. Remember, top-load washers are generally compatible with various detergent forms, including powder, liquid, and pods, capsules. Just make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions, measure the